Okay guys, this is a test really of the audio. I put a new microphone on and really I'm testing the audio, but hey, if we're going to test the audio, why not show something while we're testing the audio? Here's the Limitless. Here are the ARMA motor, BLX, ESC, and I have the servo. I also have a couple of receivers coming in. Two RS-2100s. Will be coming in. One for each of those guys. As you can see, I have the Limitless and the Infraction out there. And this video is actually a test of the audio. I have a microphone that's supposed to give me broadcast quality sound. So I'm testing the microphone really. So I set these out. The Limitless, I'm going to put the ARMA equipment on. I already have the motor. Dude, looks like a, jeez. Whoa, man. All right, we'll figure it out. There we are. And the Limitless. Now these blocks here are going to be for my big ammo box where I put my lipos. I have individual lipo bags and a big metal ammo box, and I'm going to put those down in the ammo box on top. So if there's a fire, it'll all be containing the ammo box and it won't set anything off underneath it because the blocks will be there. And that's about it. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Have a good day.